Welcome back to OFRA's channel. If it is your first time here, hi, how are you? My name is Edwin. She's the fiercest. But today we are here to do a spooky, kooky Halloween look. We are here to spice things up. It is Halloween. The cobwebs are out. The pumpkins are out. If you guys want to see how we do a spooky themed Halloween mug, it is very cute, very fierce, then just keep on watching, you know? So we're gonna go ahead and do my base really quick. My base is nothing serious, so let's go ahead and... Alrighty girls, how are the girls? How are the girls? We are starting off with my fresh favorite lipstick in the shade Bordeaux or Bordeaux. I don't know how it's called, but I am using that to sketch out all of the darkness in the mug that I'm doing. So I'm gonna put the white clown face right on top, slather her right on. I'm literally treating it like spackle just because I want to get down all of my bases, smooth them out to then add in all of my details. So you guys can see that now I'm going in with like a smaller brush and I'm starting to, you know, create that gradient shading that kind of gives that 3D illusion. That's really the secret to that, adding your depth. So I started with my darkest color first and now I'm working my way out. Same thing with these little doodles, as you guys can see, darkest color and then a little transition with a little bit of whitening. So that's really how I achieve like my cool gradients. Then I'm taking their translucent matte powder, set the white. Now I'm popping the same liquid lipstick on the other eye and just blending it out with a little bit of a transition from the Getaway palette. And then boom, more liquid lipstick. It was just the only liquid lipstick look. And I'm topping it off with my favorite, the Verified Liner Girl. You already knew I was gonna do that. You guys just saw me go in on my mug. Now we're just gonna go ahead and tap right here into this little apricot-y blush. And I'm just gonna throw that right here. I want the skin to be very bronze and just blushy. So we're just doing that right now, and I'm making sure that she is snatched. I honestly was having little artist block on what to do, and I really love the way that, like, if I were to be like put into stone, I would want that on my stone, you know? Let me go ahead and spritz this side of my mug. Gonna go on with my favorite highlighter in the shade Pillow Talk. Probably one of my favorite highlighters by OFRA, honestly. A little more highlighting on the nose. Ooh! Look at her. Look at that. Oh my god, we look so stunning. Okay, let me do the bottom lash line real quick. All we need is some lashes on this eye to go with that sickening huge wing. You guys know I love a cheap excuse to use a wing, girl. I love me a good wing, girl. So let me go ahead and pop that on and we can do lips. Alrighty dolls, so we have our highlighter glowing, our bronzer going, our statue of going, and now let's seal it off with the perfect lip. Now, it is only right to do a bold color, you know? Running this lyrical ride. And as you can see, the spookiest, kookiest, scariest doll has arrived. And she is giving you mug, she is giving you fall, but she's also giving you stone, watercolor. This is what she looks like in her ethereal form, you know? So I feel like it's almost the best of both worlds, kind of like my artistry and like my glam side meeting together. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe. And thank you guys for allowing me to showcase my artistry to your screen, girl. And that's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you girlies later. Bye, mis amores.